Salam salam, this is Unity and I'm here to show y'all a tip. I'm working on these earrings. They call them a bob. Y'all see them up on the screen. That's how they look. So when I was writing them, I accidentally forgot to put a V in the word, because there's two V's in the word evolve. I'm gonna show y'all how. Well, I'm just gonna show you a little bit of what I did. This is just something I do. I just blacked it out and then I let it get a little tacky and then I scraped it, because the words, you could kind of see the words. So I just scraped it just to get the word indentations out. And then you can use a piece of sandpaper like this right here. You know, it don't gotta be a high grit. So and then you just scrape it down like that to get the indentation out, to make it more smooth. And this is just something that you can do if you don't want to just grab another piece of wood. Because, you know, I always say mistakes. Sometimes mistakes are masterpieces. But when you spell a word wrong, that's different. You know, like your girl Carisha from City Girls, she said, I flew out. And she just made money off that. But you can't spell evolve without the two V's in it. Evolving. That's what I meant to say. Without two V's in it. So like I said, yeah, you can use sandpaper. I just be using my nails. And then just make it more smoother. So what I'm going to do is trying to get all the dust off right here. And I do a couple of different techniques. Get my primer, which the link is in the description box. All right, so this is the primer that I use. It's by Golden. Golden is a great paint brand. I like this because it got this little squirt bottle. So I'm just gonna put a little here, and then I might put another coat. I don't know yet. And if you don't have, you know, the money to buy that, you could just use a Mod Podge, a matte Mod Podge. Just make sure your foundation is smooth. So I just do this. Alright. So I'm going to let that dry and work on this right here. And then I'm going to come back. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I just put one coat on this. I already did the other one, but I got to go over it. I got to just do some cleaning up. I got my paint. And I'm just going to paint over it. So sometimes you may have to do it. You may have to put more than one coat of primer or more than one coat of paint. In this case, I'm going to put more. I'm going to put 2 coats of paint. When I come back, the earrings will be done. And then I can write evolving right there. Just a little tip. So like, you know, sometimes people just throw their wood away and be like, let me just start on another fresh piece. I'm going to let this dry and then I'll be back with the finished pair. Alright, y'all, so this order is going to South Carolina, and these called Evolution earrings. It's evolving on a cross, and then it got a butterfly, and look at me doing it like his butt. And then this is the bag. Yep, so this is the order of these right here.